All right, good morning, cyber traders. Happy Thursday, everyone. We're almost at the end of the weekend. Hump day was yesterday. Had a couple of good stocks. We got a nice little runner. Good to see you, Greg. Good to see you, Lita. Rovia, good to see everybody. Good to see everybody bright and early. Everybody here on social media, welcome back. All right, we're going to do some shopping. First of all, big day today. Just to let everybody know I'm going to be doing, today's Thursday at 1 o'clock. We kind of changed the time. We're going to be doing an open house. So if anyone here would like to join us, let me just put that live workshop link up there for everybody on social media. And we'll be happy to see you there right around 1 o'clock. But once again, like we always say, you got to learn before you can earn. But we got a couple of good little runners. EDBL this morning had a good runner. It like it gapped up. It is up. It's what is it gapped up 50%. I was looking here on level 4. I'm not really completely sold on what I see out there. Just to let you know, I'm going to bring this up here and show what I got. Not really a lot out there so far. So just to let you know, as I was browsing and shopping around this morning so far, even though the market is up about 200 points, I'm not really seeing too much out there. But sometimes program trading does kick in right after 9 o'clock. So something might pop up. So we'll check. We'll do all shopping around. But anyway, let's talk about what happened yesterday and what some of you missed who were not here, and just go over a couple of things. Yesterday wasn't also the best day of trading, as being a Wednesday midweek, but we're in the thick of August. Now I'm going to be on vacation next week. A lot of people on vacation. I told you this. I live here on Long Island. You probably heard about the Hamptons. The super billionaires live out there, and not even that, but millionaire, whatever. It's a great destination, beautiful area. Everyone's there. Everybody's there. Everyone is in Italy. Everybody's in Greece. Everyone is in Croatia. Everyone's all over the place. So August is one of the biggest traveling times of the year. So I'm not expecting you to be a super exciting one, but what is very important today, what you want to do is you definitely want to learn how to trade. So we know that September is right around the block. We got to be very prepared for that. September, October, and November are the 3 best months of the year to trade. So as these lists are getting smaller, and I'm always going to remind everybody this every morning, you're going to see this list probably 10 deep, maybe 12, maybe 15 deep. And there's going to be stocks like this all day. But you better learn now. Don't learn at the worst times, which is then. But let's talk about some of the stocks. So anyway, Roblox, I thought was a great short yesterday. It was on the expensive side. You could see here, right around that 930. It was a great trend in pre-market. It was smack there in your face, seeing it. It was trending, making lower lows. Market opened up, went from $33, boom, all the way down to $30. Really, really nice short. And then it did. Let me just hide this here. And then it had basically going into the close, had a little bit of a hiccup, went down, came up, not as easy to trade like in the morning, but I thought Roblox was a very, very easy trade to trade short yesterday. And that one worked out pretty well. Once again, a little expensive, but what is what it is. Weight Watchers did really, really well yesterday. So for some of you that log in late, depending on where you are in the world, in the middle of the day, it was pretty good. Stock ran from like this $9 price range all the way to $9.40. And then at 2 o'clock, it ran from that $9.50 up to about almost $10. But it wasn't that typical stock that trades going into the close, and had that big push. So it was one of those midday stocks. So that one was pretty decent for whoever was on Weight Watchers. What else we had? The TNGX. Now, TNGX was another unbelievable stock yesterday, right out of the gate. I mean, this thing ran from $5 up to about $9, $4. So I think out of all the stocks that we traded yesterday, this, if you were, in our trading room, Cyber Group room, I think everyone basically did amazing at this trade right here. Now, I know a lot of you are new, deer in the headlights, but out of all the stocks, that we traded yesterday, and between the halts and everything else, this one literally did it in 30 minutes. Now, unfortunately, it wasn't on the watch list yesterday because it wasn't showing up. I mean, I didn't really see anything there. I mean, nothing jumped out at me, but it really jumped out once the market opened up, and a lot of you caught on to it, and it was just a fabulous stock that we traded. So that one was technically the big winner of yesterday. So now, what do we got? So basically, the CPI reports came out. We're up about 250 points. You know what I mean? The market had a little bit of rally. So we're getting some stocks that are moving, some brand name stocks. But once again, don't get too cocky. Yesterday on that stock, TNGX, you had to do what you had to do. But we'll find another one. Every day is always a new adventure at Cyber University. So that's really what it comes down to it. So let's go over some of the watch lists. Let's see what's going on. So EDBL. This stock, you could see long-term was right around $16. Came all the way back down. It's one of the first days up. Could it make a big move? I mean, everyone knows what this basically is. Those edibles. I think that company, I didn't even know they were public until a long time ago. But that's the when you buy the fruit and they have those stores all over. Looks like they did pretty decent. It was great in the beginning, but I don't know if anyone has gone there recently. But stock, I don't care. You don't like it, love it, whatever it is. Stock's doing pretty well. We'll see how it opens up because sometimes these things do move at 9:30, but it is up about 48%. MOGL, another one. Big run up. Came right back down, back to $1. It did trade 1.5 million shares. You got to give it credit. It is hovering above the dollar price range. I like that. I would not put this on my watch list if it was September or October, but because we don't have a lot, sometimes they do move. So we'll put that on the watch list. APP, right off the back, very untradeable. Breaks the number 1 T. Big spread, looks pretty volatile. I might want to pass on this one. This one just came out of nowhere. It just moved right now. This is what I'm talking about, 9 o'clock. So you had the stock right here, MYSZ. Stock's got good volatility. Remember in April, we traded, went from $1.40 to $2.30. Good tier sizes. Volume's starting to pick up. I got to check over here on level 4 and see what we got going on. MYSZ. So MYSZ, got to get the data. Okay. Oh, nice. I like this one. Okay, look. Got a big bar iceberg order. Just showed a ladder effect right here. Does everybody see that? He just came up there. Ooh, I think he just got executed. Yeah, he got executed. So it's got that big support levels right there. We'll see how that handles right there at that price. But the stock looks like it's moving. Once again, got to take what the market's given us. MF. Moving again. Remember that 50 cents up to $3? Just had a big little spike up in here. We traded MF. We know how she trades. Some of you have been here. You've checked your journals. MF has been a really good stock, and we've done really, really well with that. VTGN on the downtrend up 13%. Stock basically got crushed on the way down. Obviously, that must have been a reverse stock split. Whenever I see that. RGTI, 300,000 shares, penny spread. Stock took a big hit, hitting big support levels. If it was September, it wouldn't be on there, but we don't have too much out there. Let's throw it on there. This stock is getting destroyed. Must be obviously getting killed right here. I don't know if we're going to see a dead cat bounce on that one. New York Stock Exchange, CPRI, Capri Holdings, looks like a buyout right here. So we're going to scratch that one. Yeti's been doing pretty well. I actually bought a couple of Yeti things. Amazon Prime had a couple of good deals on it. So Yeti's doing well, but once again, big spread, not really the day trading friendly stock right there. Anything else on New York? No, not a gold garbage. WWW, that's not Weight Watchers. And that's about it. I don't really see anything else out there. Anyone else see there? Plugs out getting beat up today, Michael's saying. So Plug is down about 13%. Yeah, you can see it right here. It is right there, number 9 on the list. Plug obviously can move a little bit. It is coming to some support levels. We could put Plug on that list. PLUG right here. You can see it's got support levels right around there. So if it holds there, we got to check out level 4. Plug has some pretty good iceberg orders, if I remember correctly. Let's put this right here. Plug. Yeah, you can see it right here. They a beautiful red line, gorgeous. Look at that, 30,000 and 41,000. So right around $9. So we're about 34 cents away before we hit that big support levels, which is right there. You can see it right there. All right, we're looking good. Good call, like that. All right, anyone else? Anyone else have anything? All right, so there's the list. Not a big list, but don't forget today. 1 o'clock. We're going to have open house here again. Please like us and friend us if you're on YouTube and Facebook and all social media. Cyber traders, you know where to be. You know, if you want to come and join us, you're not doing too much. It's always nice to hear and what the other new traders are thinking. Remember, you were there. We always like to have you guys there to kind of support CTU. And if you're new trial members here, just please, once again, just sit back and watch. But once again, it is that type of the end of it's that type of the month where this is what we expect. So let's not get too cocky. Just remember also, if you see, try to focus on taking a profit, okay? Don't try to hit these home runs because you're going to convert these big winners into losers or even a flat, and you don't want to do that. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading, and we'll see you when the market opens up.